Hare Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Once again, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki jai, Govinda ki jai, Shri Rupal ki jai. Nitai Gaur Premanande. Yes, Hare Krishna. I want to welcome all the devotees who are coming for this Mayapur Yatra. So this is the orientation program. Okay, now first I want to ask. Okay, for 1 second. Unmute everybody. Yes, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna
हरे कृष्णा
Prabhuji.
प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay. So I want to ask one question. How many people are coming to this Mayapur Yatra first time? Yes, first time. Okay. Raise your hand.
I was also first time, Prabhuji.
Huh? Okay, you can raise your
Rukmani also first time.
Okay.
Saitulakshmi also first time Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, most of the time, most of the people are first time.
First time, Prabhuji.
Yes, sir. Yes. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji first time जा रहे हैं
I also first time, Prabhuji.
महाराजपुर सेकंड टाइम जा रहा हूँ। बहुत पहले एक बार गया था, 10 साल पहले गया था प्रभु जी।
Okay, okay, okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Okay. So, Yatra means you should have right consciousness. यात्रा मतलब मैं उधर क्या बोलते हैं, हम लोगों का सोच कैसे रहता, मतलब तीर्थ यात्रा जाने का, उधर जाने का, इधर जाने का, इधर जाने का। हमारा यात्रा ऐसा नहीं है। Our yatra is special because yatra means with right consciousness. With right consciousness. देखिए चैट सब बाद में आपको लास्ट में चांस देता हूं, उस वक्त आप कीजिए। ओके। सो मेनली यात्रा मतलब, यात्रा मीन्स फॉर एसोसिएशन। और हम क्या गाइडलाइंस देते हैं उसको आप निभाना चाहिए। यू शुड फॉलो। See, last year we have done 2021 we have done Yatra, now the Mayapur Yatra. In that we went to two Dvipas. One is Antar Dvipa and one more is Godurma Dvipa. Actually we had 88 places to cover, but we are not able to cover. The reason is that people were not cooperating. People has to cooperate. So consciousness is main thing. मुझे वो जगह देखना है, वो जगह देखना है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। नाम प्रभु किधर कीर्तन करते हैं, कीर्तन में आप पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए, कथा में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए। आप ए मूड पे आप यात्रा पे जाओगे तो यू कैन एंजॉय द मैक्सिमम। बहुत आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। इसलिए मैंने पूछा, जो लोग पहली बार आ रहे हैं इसमें बहुत। ओके, one more question. How many people are chanting 16 rounds? Okay. Hare Krishna. And this, how many people are chanting 16 rounds? Okay, most of the people are chanting 16 rounds. Okay.
Myself.
Okay. Yes.
I'm chanting 20 rounds.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Minimum 16. Okay. So, see, anybody who is chanting 16 rounds, then he can enjoy the maximum. Because Navadvip Dham means Sankirtan. See, there are, 2022 in the month of March, we went to Vrindavan. Vrindavan means we have to take the dust because Krishna walked in that place. You have to apply that dust to your forehead. Then Jagannath Puri, 2022 in the month of October we went. Prasadam, you have to eat prasadam. Navadvip Dham means Sankirtan. Chant, dance, take Krishna Prasad. So this is a special. So firstly, I want to glorify Dham. So anybody who sees Navadvip Dham, he gets ecstatic love. Birth after birth he gets. For that, our consciousness should be good, proper consciousness. You should meditate on Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastime. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has done unlimited pastime in all 9 islands. So first thing is that. And one more thing, see, suppose if you are doing any sin in Vrindavan, then it multiplies 1,000 times. If you are doing one, it will multiply 1,000 times. Whereas in Navadvip, it is Audarya Dham. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will forgive. So simply we have to chant. Mayapur means chant. Kirtan and Japa. You have to do maximum of this, so you will get ecstasy. You will get ecstasy. Okay, one sentence I can say. Even one who goes to Navadvip desiring to gain material comfort through pious activities will not take another birth. The Shastra says that one who walks around Navadvip attains the fruit of millions of Ashwamedha yajnas at every step. This is the glory of Navadvip Dham. Okay. Yes, we can address anything. Yes, okay. Yes, Aishwarya Mata, you want to add? Yes, Hare Krishna. Aishwarya Subhadra Devi Das.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Pranam.
Add anything about the glories of Dham?
Yeah, as you said, Prabhu, like what we do in Vrindavan is like rolling on the dust of Raja, and the same benefit we get by taking prasadam in Puri, same effect we get by chanting and doing Sankirtan in Mayapur Dham. So last time when I went, that was the first time I went with ISKCON Bangalore. So you won't believe the energy we get from everybody, especially from Srivas Angan Kirtan. We all had ecstatic Kirtan in the boat also, and Bhaktivedanta Thakur house. So this dham is so powerful that it's like an injection. The whole year it will help us to do our sadhana well, to have nice association and hear katha from great devotees. We might have Atul Krishna Prabhu's association also. And Sachina Prabhu had gone to the dham so many times. He's the best person to take us around. Yes, Prabhu. So you can talk about dress code, Prabhu. Some Mataji's were asking.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. See, this year, January, I went to invite Guru Maharaj, me and Namesh Prabhu, and Gaurav Prabhu also came. Next, in the month of March, I went for Parikrama. So again, after Radhashtami, I went for Yatra this thing. So 3 times I went in this year itself. So Navadvip Dham is very special. Whenever I go, there are, what to say, you can carry the bliss. You can carry bliss from there. So powerful. So powerful. So main thing is you should have right consciousness. So your consciousness is, yes, I want to go for this Mayapur Yatra for association. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has done unlimited pastimes in Navadvip Dham. So you can take maximum benefit by seeing devotees. And one more thing, Prasadam. This time also I went, and last time I can say one example. One Prabhu from last 2014 he is coming to our Yatra. So he came. From 2013 he was coming. And 2021 he came for Yatra. And he was with me in my room. Local person. Even now, he says, Mayapur Prasadam was super. Same menu I kept. Last 2021, what menu was there? Same. Superb Prasadam. So, you can have nice Prasadam. And one more thing, everyone should cooperate. Cooperate in the sense, see, suppose in your house one marriage is there. Suppose in your house marriage is there. How, how you will act? This I want. Okay. Once again, I will unmute. Suppose in your house, you're close, your sister marriage, brother's marriage, somebody's, your daughter's marriage, how you will act? Yes, I have done unmute. Hare Krishna, you can answer.
Responsible.
Responsible, yes. Other people, yes.
Enthusiastic.
Huh?
Enthusiastic.
Okay. Other people, yes. So many people are there. Okay. 117 people are there.
Festive mood.
Huh?
Festive mood.
Yes, okay.
Happiness.
Huh?
Happiness.
Happiness, okay, yes.
Discipline.
Yes, Supriya Mataji, yes, you can say.
Cooperative. Prabhuji.
Cooperative, okay.
Great involvement and with dedication we
Yes.
perform it.
Yes, somebody can write these points, whatever they say. Okay.
Humbleness and service mood, Prabhu.
Huh?
Humbleness and service mood to others.
Humbleness and service role, okay, yes. Then what else? Somebody can write down these points, what they are saying. All are good points.
You can take care in all activities.
Prabhuji, I want that marriage should be very successful, and that
Okay.
every
Yes,
member
marriage
should be
should be
happy.
very successful.
That's my
Yes.
aim.
Okay.
Music and dance.
Music and dance, okay. Here also music and dance is there, okay. Yes. Some other people, you can answer. What you will do? Huh?
We will adjust with each other so that
We
we
will adjust with each other, is a very important thing. Okay.
Cooperation.
The cooperation and
Coordination.
coordination, okay.
Help.
Prabhuji,
Those are needed help. We have to help others also, Prabhuji.
You have to help others. Very good point. Yes. See, somebody can
Prabhuji,
note down these points. Somebody.
Prabhuji always ready for seva, for
Huh?
any seva. Always ready for any seva.
Any seva, okay. We are ready for any seva. Okay.
Make
Teamwork.
lot of arrangements.
timing.
Huh?
Try to complete all ritual in that proper time.
In the proper time. Okay. Very good point. Yes. Okay.
Prabhuji, not wait for others to do the work.
Okay. See, this
Prabhuji,
is very
punctuality is
important. Not wait for
most
others to do
important.
the work. Yes. Very good point. Yeah.
Punctuality.
Huh? Yes. You can say your answer. What you are feeling.
We all come together and work together.
Come together and work together. Okay. Yes. Any other answers are there? Okay. Once again. Okay, now somebody has written here in chat. We'll go one by one. Okay. See, okay. Reasonable, festive mood, cooperative, adjustment, coordination, helping others, have patience, ready for any seva, timing, teamwork, not wait for others to do work, nice prasadam, punctual, humbleness, music and dance, cooperative, festive mood, adjust with each other, coordination, help others, ready for seva, make arrangements, complete everything in proper time, wait not for others to do work, punctuality, come together, work together, reasonable, festive mood. Yes, Hare Krishna. See, these many points. Simple thing, we have to do this in Yatra. If you do this, then Yatra will be super success. Super duper success. You have to think, yes, I am not the guest. I am the host. This should be our thinking. If you are thinking that I am the host, then you will not bother other people. And you will be always in helping mode. Yes, what should I do? How can I serve? When you come to the first thing you should do, how can I serve? This should be our mood. See, actually, men means my name is Sachidananda Dvait Das. Dasa means servant. Ladies means Aishwarya Subhadra Devi Dasi. Dasi means servant. Dasi Dasa. So we are servants. So we have to serve. So if your mood is like this, you can enjoy the yatra maximum. Maximum. Okay, now other part. They're getting late. Yeah, schedule. Huh? That is over. Schedule part. Okay. See, in Navadip Dham, there are 9 islands. But we are not going for those 9 islands. 1 second. Okay, yes, Hare Krishna. There are 9 islands, but we are not going for 9 islands. We are covering only 3 islands. One is Antardvip, where we stay. Next one is Godrumadvip. Next one is Madhyamdvip. So, first day 0, day 0 evening orientation program is there. Like day 0 in the sense third we are arriving. So some people may arrive afternoon, some may arrive evening, some may night. So that day orientation program is there evening. Then day 1, 4th. Okay, day 1 morning Mangala Aarti. Mangala Aarti 4:30. So 4:30 means 4 o'clock you have to get up and 4:30 you should be ready. Mangala Aarti. Then Japa session 5 to 7. Then 7 a.m. breakfast. Then 7:30 we are leaving to Yoga Pita. Yoga Pita means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's birthplace. Then from there Yoga Pita, Shiva Sangan place, Chaitanya Mat and Murari Gupta house. So in Shiva Sangan place, Yoga Pita, we will be having class, we will be having Kirtan. See, Yatra means, usual Yatra means we are visiting places. Kitna abhi, kitna baki hai jagah. This is not like that. We go there, we have nice Kirtan there, we will have nice Katha over there. You should be ready, mentally you should be ready. Because we are taking for, see, in Navadip Dham, when you do nice Kirtan, you will get mercy. Still now, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is there, all his associates are there. So when you do Kirtan, they will be happy. Then they will bestow mercy. So you should be, in your mind, it should be there. Not that, abhi, ho gaya kya, jagah ho gaya kya. Some people are like that. No, not like that. We are going for association, and we'll have some half an hour class in each place and half an hour kirtan, like that. So 4 places I told: Yoga Pita, Shiva Sangan, Chaitanya Mat, and Murari Gupta. Then 2 o'clock we are coming back to Mayapur for lunch, and it may take 2 to 3, 1 hour lunch. Then 3 to 5, it's you can take rest, 1 hour rest you can take. 5 o'clock you have to come to Prabhupada Samadhi Mandir. Their down hall is there. Last year we have done program there. 5 to 8. Then 8, after 8, you can come back, and lunch will be at 9. Not 8. Dinner, not 8. It's 9. But we can make adjustment. We'll see. Okay. It will be after 8:30. Mostly after 8:30. But their return time is 9 o'clock. We will discuss whether it is possible for 8:30. Mostly they give for 9 o'clock night. Yes. Huh? Okay. Dinner is light, but lunch is breakfast and lunch is nice. Okay. Then day 2, same routine. Morning Mangalarati, Japa, then 7 o'clock breakfast, then 7:30 we are leaving. We are leaving to go through Madhve. Go through Madhve means Kirtan. You have to do maximum Kirtan. Antardviv means Atma Nivedana. Simantadviv means Shravana. And Godrunadviv means Kirtan. So you have to do Kirtan maximum over there. Whenever we go for Parikrama, Godrunadviv is meant for, and there all sannyasis, they dance and they do Kirtan. In ecstatic Kirtan. Non-stop Kirtan. This time, Gaura Manomohan Das, Gaura Prabhu, yes, he came for my Parikrama with me. So he has seen. You can explain, Prabhu. Yeah, you can explain about go through.
Yeah, so this time we went for Navdeep Mandal Parikrama, Sachin Prabhu, Aviram Prabhu and myself. And as Prabhu is saying, Prabhupada direct disciples are also there. Sannyasis, they flood so many sannyasis, and everybody is doing just one thing: Kirtan. Kirtan, Kirtan. In fact, Mayapur is called Kirtan capital of the world. Kirtan capital of the world is Mayapur, and that is where you are going. And wherever you go, everywhere you go, you will find Kirtan, Kirtan, Kirtan. Even in roads, by lanes, inside the campus, Prabhupada Kirtan is playing. Evening Kirtan party, you will see Prabhupada direct disciples doing Kirtan on Kirtan party. So what Prabhu is saying, Sajan Prabhu, is that our consciousness should be to do Kirtan. So when second day we are going to Godrumadui, we'll focus on that, because the idea is, as Prabhu said, we are all hosts, nobody is a guest, and arrangements may be up and down, but the consciousness should be what it should be, according to Shastras. Yes, Prabhu.
Yes. Hare Krishna. So he participated, he was dancing like anything. I took him for Parikrama. Godrunadviv, he was dancing. So Godrunadviv means Kirtan. So many pastimes are there. So we are going to Narsimhapalli, Harihara Kshetra, Bhaktivinoda Thakur House, and Surabhi Kunj. It comes in one line, and all there are so many pastimes are there. Okay. Next, that day evening again we are coming back 2 o'clock for lunch at Mayapur. Then after 2, 3 we will finish our lunch. Then 3 to 4 you can take rest in your room. By 4 you can freshen up, and 5 you have to be at Prabhupada Samadhi Mandir for evening class. Huh? Auditorium. Prabhupada their auditorium is there. Last year, yeah. So many people have seen last year. Okay, in that place only. And again, same thing. 8 o'clock, that program will be over. Then 9 o'clock, dinner is there. Yes. Yeah. Prabhupada disciples and some sannyasi will come. They will give evening guest lecture. So you should not miss that. Then there will be kirtan also. You should not miss evening.
Dramas.
Dramas will be there. Our temple devotees and congregation will play a nice drama. So you don't miss. Yes, okay. Next day also 6th, same routine. Morning, Mangala Aarti, Japa. Then 7 o'clock breakfast. Then 7:30 we are leaving. We are going to, sorry. We are going to 4 Dvipas. Seemanta Dvip we are going. First I told about Antardvipa, second I told about Godrum Dvipa. Now we are going for Seemanta Dvipa. Seemanta Dvipa means Shravanam. So here we are going to Chandkaji Samadhi, Jagannath Temple, Neelambar Chakravarti is the grandfather of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his place, and Nimbaka Acharya visited a place, one place is that we are going. That is on 6th. So again same thing, afternoon we are coming back to Mayapur, 2 o'clock for lunch. Then same routine, what we are doing evening. Then 4th day, for the same thing, morning Mangala Aarti, Japa session, breakfast. Then we are going towards Madhyam Dvip. First one is Antardvip, second one is Godram Dvip, third one is Seemanta Dvip, fourth one is Madhyam Dvip. So we are going through, it is through Ganga Safari, through water, through boat we are going. And there will be boat Harinam, last time also we have done. So boat we are going, and we are passing, we are going to Navadvip city. From Mayapur we are reaching Navadvip city. There we are going to 2 places. One is Dameshwar Mahadev and one more is Jagannath Das Babaji Samadhi place. 2 places. And that day it is, what to say, shopping. We are leaving you. That day evening there is no program. There also you can shop. In Navadvip also you can shop. Yes. Okay. This is the schedule. Anything else? Yes, okay. See, we want 10 leaders, 10 group leaders. And see, I want to introduce 3 main coordinators. One is Vikas Chandwani. Yes. Vikas Chandwani Prabhuji. And one more is Parth Dave.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. One second.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
And Parth Dave Prabhuji. And one more is Aradhya. Aradhya Vrajapati Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Yes. Yes. Hare Krishna, can you hear me once again?
Yes, Prabhu, now audible.
Yes, okay. So, this is my plan. See, these 3 people are the coordinators. Main 3 coordinators. And I want 10 people. They are group leaders.
10 buses.
10 buses, yeah.
30 each.
Yeah.
So 10 each.
10 buses are there. So, 10 leaders. In that inside also you can make for 5 people one leader, so that all 6 people can report this leader and these leaders can report these 3 people. Then it will be very successful. So voluntarily you can raise your hand who wants to do seva. Sharma, Yemangi Hari Sureka Mehta, Brinda Krishna, Kalavati, Kurumal Devidas. Okay. 3 main coordinators can note down this name also.
Mobile number also.
Yeah.
Who's noting the names?
Yeah. We can take photo of that.
Prabhu, I've taken a photo. I will send it to you and Partha Prabhu. I have your Hare Krishna.
And their mobile numbers, yes. Somebody can collect their mobile numbers.
We can request them to drop their name and the mobile number in the chat box. Whoever has raised their hand.
Okay.
Better.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. I am from Gujarat, and I will coordinate with Parth Prabhuji.
Yeah. Okay, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. I'm from Hyderabad. Aradhya Prabhuji has my number, Prabhuji. Do you want me to share again? Even Path Prabhuji and
Okay.
Prabhuji also have
coordinator self lead.
Yeah, okay, one second.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, Prabhu, even then you please drop the message so that everybody will have the numbers. So please drop the message in the chat box. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
One second. Okay. So I'll read out the name. Pankaj Sharma, Hemangi Hariprada Devidasi, Sureka Mehta, Brinda Krishna. What is his name? Kalavati Devidasi, Jignesh Darga, Poonam Tyagi, Neeta, Prithvi Kaviraj,
and
Srinivas Posan. Okay. Yes, these are the names.
10 leaders.
10 leaders. Okay, done. Very good. So anything?
Just want to add that on the administrative side, we have 3 super coordinators as we introduced you, and they are already working on your data. Kindly request you to check whatever they put in the group. वो जो भी ग्रुप में डाल रहे हैं उनको चेक करिए, और जो डिस्क्रिपेंसी है, हो सकता है डिस्क्रिपेंसी, तो उनको बताइए. और ये जो 10 लीडर अभी हमने बताए हैं, उनको अपना 30 पीपल के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल रहना है. उनको बस में सब आ गए हैं कि नहीं चेक करना है, उनका कोई तबीयत खराब है, किसी को कुछ पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो पता करना है, एक्टिव रहना है. टेंडेंसी होता है फैमिली के साथ जाने से हम फैमिली को फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देते हैं, तो प्रभु जी ने बताया हम सब होस्ट हैं, कोई भी गेस्ट नहीं है, तो इट्स अ बिग फैमिली. सो वैसे करेंगे. एंड हो सकता है ना कि फोन मिलाते हैं, कभी कोई फोन नहीं उठाता, बिजी है, तो उसमें इतना सारा यू ऑलरेडी नो देयर आर 3 कोऑर्डिनेटर्स एंड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर 30 पीपल. एंड एज प्रभु जी सजेस्टेड, विद इन 30 आप अपने हिसाब से 4, 5, 6 लोगों का एक सब लीडर्स बना सकते हैं, वो आप अपने हिसाब से करिए. ठीक है, तो ऐसा रहेगा ओवरऑल, जिससे इट विल बी वेरी स्मूथ. क्योंकि लंच कूपन्स है, डिनर कूपन्स है, ब्रेकफास्ट कूपन्स है, हम लोग देंगे, फिर उसको फर्दर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. बहुत सारे सीनियर सिटीजन जाते हैं, वो व्हाट्सएप नहीं चेक करते हैं, मोबाइल घर पे रख के आते हैं, इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो उनको बताना है कि ये प्रोग्राम है, इतना बजे आना है, यहाँ पे आना है. तो ये सारा चीज का जिम्मेदारी लेना. सुबह मंगल आरती में सबको अटेंड कराने के लिए आप एक ग्रुप बना सकते हैं अपना 10 लोगों का, छोटा सा 30 लोगों का. तो दैट विल लीव टू यू, हाउ डू यू वांट टू मैनेज. सो उसमें कौन कौन 30 पीपल विल बी देयर, आई थिंक दैट वी कैन डिवाइड.
वी कैन डिवाइड.
विल डिवाइड एंड विल शेयर. ओके, सो विकास प्रभु जी, आपने नोट कर लिया होगा सबका नंबर ना? जी.
Okay.
Oh, we are not allowed
One second.
chat option.
One second. Yes, okay. Now.
So the next
11 names are there, bro.
no problem. No, even if 12 are there, no problem. So it's okay. And so next what will happen? So पहला हमने प्रभु जी ने बताया कॉन्शियसनेस, अभी एडमिन साइड लॉजिस्टिक्स का मैं थोड़ा सा बताता हूँ. तो अभी आपको अराइवल और डिपार्चर डिटेल्स दिया है, उसको चेक करिए फर्स्ट. उसके बाद सेकंड क्या होगा, हम आपको आपका जहां पे आप रुके हैं उसका डिटेल हम देंगे. तो थोड़ा सा मैं मेंटली आपको प्रिपेयर कर दूं कि as usual, Namanishta Prabhu, Sridhar Prabhu, Sachidanand Prabhu, they are very merciful. So भले ही आपने 6 शेयरिंग सिलेक्ट किया, 4 शेयरिंग सिलेक्ट किया, 3 शेयरिंग सिलेक्ट किया, पर सबको डबल शेयरिंग मिल रहा है. So we have upgraded everyone.
हरि बोल.
बोल प्रभु जी.
Everybody has been
हरि
upgraded.
बोल, हरि बोल.
Yes.
Prabhu ji, any dress code?
So जो भी अगर 6 लोगों के साथ शेयर नहीं करना है, 4 लोगों के साथ शेयर नहीं करना है, हाँ फैमिली
Hello.
अगर आई है, हाँ एक मिनट, फैमिली अगर आई है तो फैमिली को हमने वैसे रखा है क्योंकि किड्स हैं, कोई हैं, उनसे बात करी है हमने पर्सनली. जनरली कोशिश करिए कि सबको 2 शेयरिंग करें.
प्रभु जी मैं अकेले आ रही
हरे
हूँ,
कृष्ण.
मेरे को किसके साथ अरेंज करेंगे प्रभु जी?
एक मिनट
देखिए थोड़ा सा सुनिए, वो आपके
पहले
पास
सुनना चाहिए, पहले
आपके
सुनना
पास
चाहिए.
आएगा, सबका शीट आएगा. Second, what had happened, for temple devotees we had booked some rooms. So Namanishta Prabhu reviewed and he gave the instruction that nobody should stay at Namhatta. Temple devotees will stay at Vamsi non-AC, and rest all the devotees as far as possible should stay in AC. So we have upgraded a lot of them. So Namhatta, whoever booked, will not stay in Namhatta. They have been shifted to other buildings where rooms are available. So we have tried to upgrade most of you. ठीक है, तो आपको एक तो शेयरिंग कम लोगों के साथ करनी पड़ेगी जिससे कि आप सुबह जल्दी तैयार हो सकें, और जितना संभव हुआ है उतना हमने कोशिश किया है कि जो अपग्रेड कर सकें, एसी रूम्स दे सकें, है ना. सबको पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता है, पर जितना पॉसिबल हुआ किया है. और अभी से वी आर आस्किंग फॉरगिवनेस अगर किसी को ऐसा लगता है हमारे साथ ये हुआ, हमारे साथ वो, ऐसा नहीं है. वी हैव ट्राइड आवर बेस्ट. सो nobody has to stay. So we are all staying only in 3 buildings: Gita Bhavan, Vamsi Bhavan, and Ishodayan, and all 3 are in the same place, all next to each other. But Mayapur is so big, even next to each other means 100 meters, but nothing can be nearer, right Prabhu? So 3 के पास रहेंगे. So ऐसा किया है, ठीक है. तो आपके पास जब आपका रूम्स का लिस्ट आएगा, so अपना नाम आप खोजिए कौन से बिल्डिंग में है, नोट इट डाउन कि हाँ इस बिल्डिंग में, इस कमरे में है. So that is what we have done. फिर उसके बाद हम डिपार्चर की डिटेल्स आपको शेयर करेंगे. और एक चीज है, अगेन you know, big heart of Prabhu ji, we have arranged prasadam at Calcutta for everyone. So total there are around 280 to 300 people. All of you will get prasadam in Calcutta irrespective of the time you are coming, morning, afternoon, evening, because 3-4 घंटे लगेंगे मायापुर जाने में, तो आपको भूख लगेगी, तो आपको गोविंदा से, कलकत्ता इस्कॉन से एक पैकेट हैंड ओवर किया जाएगा, एंड आपको जब इच्छा आप तब खाइए, ठीक है. और अनदर बोनस, इनिशियली वी वर थिंकिंग कि हम सिर्फ हावड़ा स्टेशन से पिकअप करेंगे और एयरपोर्ट से. प्रभु जी ने कहा नहीं, हम हर जगह से पिकअप करेंगे. सो शालीमार से भी पिकअप है, संतरागाछी से भी पिकअप है, और कोलकाता चितपुर से भी पिकअप है. वेर एवर यू आर कमिंग वी आर डूइंग पिकअप एट दैट रेलवे स्टेशन एंड एयरपोर्ट, ठीक है. और मैक्सिमम लोगों के लिए प्रसादम हो जाएगा. कुछ शायद 1-2 रहेंगे जिसमें लॉजिस्टिक्स इज नॉट फिटिंग बिकॉज 1 people 2 people आर कमिंग. उससे भी रिक्वेस्ट, विल टॉक टू देम एंड इफ दे कैन अरेंज. अदरवाइज वो एक स्टेशन से दूसरे स्टेशन पे पिकअप करना, फिर प्रसादम, बिकॉज प्रसादम इज सेंट्रलाइज्ड, प्रसादम विल बी एट हावड़ा स्टेशन एंड एट एयरपोर्ट. सो whoever is at other stations, they have to first come to Havda station, pick their prasadam and then go, or airport, because ISKCON गोविंदा से saying हम हर जगह डिलीवर नहीं कर सकते हैं. उनको भी हम दिन में 3 बार बुला रहे हैं. सुबह अलग गरम प्रसादम, दिन में अलग गरम प्रसादम, शाम को अलग प्रसादम. सो अब हम 10 जगह उनको बोलेंगे जाइए. हमारे वॉलंटियर्स भी नहीं है इतने, बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट लीव द पैकेट्स एंड गो, नो, somebody has to take care कि कौन आ रहा है. So we can do only at Havda station and airport. Okay, so this is I mean what it is. So I hope Namaste Prabhu and team are very sensitive about your comfort, and Christian Prabhu already spoke about the consciousness we should have. Still there will be lapses, we agree, but with folded hands we seek forgiveness. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay, so we'll yes, anybody wants to say anything?
Prabhu ji, any dress code, Prabhu ji?
Yeah, dress code. See, men should be in dhoti kurta, women should be in Sari and what that? Gopi dress. This is actually this is a dress code.
You can have paijama also, kada paij.
Paijama, yeah. South Indian people.
Because in Vrindavan and Puri we have done like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that you can wear, yeah.
What is gopi dress?
Sari, so I can wear a kurta and a jeans or salwar kurta?
Jeans, no jeans, no jeans.
Oh, the salwar kurta I can wear?
Salwar is okay.
सलवार सूट चल जाएगा प्रभु जी सलवार सूट
Hare Krishna. Sachidananda Prabhu, last time Salwar suits, we had some problems. I think few of them had a problem to get into the main line of the Mayapur on the third day. So I just thought I will hint, especially for Mangal Aarti, sometimes they stop there. So, I mean, that was the thing. Hare Krishna.
So we better wear sari only.
Sari only. Better always,
Prabhuji, I don't wear a sari. Then what to do?
Okay. Then you can ask this Aishwarya Mataji. Aishwarya Mataji is there.
Gopi dress, Mataji, Gopi dress. You can wear your salwar suit and wear a...
What is a gopi dress?
Yeah, no, Aishwarya Subhadra Devi Das, yes, Mataji, you can.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Yeah, they can wear some skirt and long top or something. Evening, there won't be a problem, Prabhu. The morning, Mangalarti, they have to this thing. But when going to other places and in the evening, they can wear salwar, might be. Yeah. When you go to temple, let's have Vaishnava etiquette dress.
Yeah.
Means in the top, we can wear a kurta and lower we have a wear a skirt sort of a thing.
Yes, like that, Mataji. Okay. With a shawl. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
प्लाजो चलेगा
हाँ Mataji.
Okay,
Hare Krishna Prabhu ji. Hare Krishna Prabhu ji.
Yes.
प्रभु जी हम कलकत्ता से जा रहे हैं कोलकाता से जा रहे हैं हम तो हम थ्रू नवद्वीप में पहुंच जाएंगे उसके लिए वहां से ही लॉस मिल जाएगा हमको
सुखदेव विश्वास प्रभु आप डायरेक्टली मायापुर जाएंगे ना
हाँ प्रभु
वहाँ पे आपको मायापुर में हम लोग का प्रभु जी मिलेंगे आपको बताएंगे कि आपका अकोमोडेशन आपको वैसे पहले मिल जाएगा चार्ट सो यू कैन डायरेक्ट रिसेप्शन पे ऑलरेडी आपका इंफॉर्मेशन रहेगा
अरे धन्यवाद और प्रभु जी पैंट शर्ट चलेगा क्या
चलेगा बट ट्राई टू वेयर बिकॉज विद वैष्णव के साथ रहेंगे तो थोड़ा वैष्णव कपड़ा पहनेंगे
ठीक है प्रभु जी
ओके आई थिंक दैट विकास चंदवानी प्रभु if he wants to add anything along with
yes
Prabhuji, I don't know to send the phone number. What to do?
You are from which place?
From Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. Chennai means what is the Mataji's name?
Mataji, what is your phone number? I'll type in the group.
Mataji is there.
Mataji, I don't know to send the phone number.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can call that.
I'll take care.
Yeah.
Prabhuji, one more thing. Yeah, weather.
Rukmini
Mataji, I'll take care. No problem.
Okay, Prabhu.
वेदर बोलिए प्रभु
हाँ बोलता हूँ मुझे बात करने के लिए दे दीजिए okay weather is nice weather because after December there will be cold. Last time I went in the month of January, it was very cold. So November is okay, nice, pleasant weather. Morning little bit cold will be there, but day is okay, good, pleasant.
if they want to just add anything.
Yes, Vikas Prabhu and team, if they want to add anything, yes, once again. You can raise hand, three of them you can raise hand.
Three super coordinators,
raise your hand,
we will unmute you.
Super, okay. Vikas, yes, sorry.
Vikas Prabhu and Aradhya Prabhu also raise your hand.
Aradhya Prabhu.
Vikas Prabhu ji and team, आपको कुछ add करना है?
Yes, nothing to add. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, working on the data constantly. Very soon, within today, we will have completed all the data. It will be posted in the general group, and as already mentioned previously in this call, devotees can cross-check their details there. And in case there is any difference in the actual and what is published, they can come back to us and we will solve that. This arrival and departures data so that we are able to align the pickup and drop between Calcutta and Mayapur and back to Calcutta on the arrival and departure dates.
Okay, Partha Prabhu.
No problem. Everything has been covered. If there is any assistance required, anybody can contact me. My number is there in the group. Hare Krishna.
So Path Prabhu is no more Gujarati group. He is all groups. All groups.
So this time Prabhu told it's like there is no translation.
Yes.
Hindi, mostly Hindi.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, everyone can understand Hindi.
Yes.
Yeah. आराध्य प्रभु, yes. कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप? हरे कृष्ण. आराध्य ब्रजपति दास.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. सब भक्तों को हरे कृष्णा, दंडवत प्रणाम. आपके लिए हम लोग हाजिर है. आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो इमीडिएट कभी भी 24/7 कर सकते हैं. आपको कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप लोग. हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्ण. हरे कृष्ण. Yes, now chat there's some messages are there. Sweater. Okay. So Priya, so the sweaters needed. See, sweaters needed like morning will be little this thing, only morning and evening, not much. But if you're bringing it, okay. Okay, we can wear white lungi. Yes, you can wear. Okay, this is Mangalore people of Prakash Bangyara. Okay, any dress code for kids? No, kids, there is no dress code. Okay. Prabhuji suit is yellow. No. Huh?
As Aishwarya Mataji instructed.
Oh, yeah.
Any Mataji's dress code query, please
Yes.
you can maybe personally contact Aishwarya.
Aishwarya Mataji, yes.
Mataji, it's okay, no? They can contact you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Prabhuji, one devotee had asked me a question today morning on the phone, and he was saying that he will bring his laptop, and he was curious to know if there'll be, it will be secure to keep the laptop in the room through the day. I guess it will be.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah.
The rooms will have lock and key, I guess.
Yeah, you can keep. Yeah. Okay, we'll wind up. Vancha kalpadorobhisya kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Anant koti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai. Namacharya Shri Haridas Thakur ki jai. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Krishna